Hello and welcome back. This video is in particular to those students who are running into trouble how to use um, your website and how to upload files and what it all means. So I'll try to make it as straightforward as possible. One of the things that you have to remember with regard to uh, zero fee, it has to be activate in order for you to do that. So you need to have an email saying, receive an email from them. This is your password, this is your username, this is the FTP and everything else. And when you are getting into working on it, you will be able to see the panel of it in the industry. This is called cPanel. It is a standard for all websites nowadays that use PHP as the standard for its technology, and with that comes the MySQL. Some of you already posted your website on USF. USF website for students is static, which means it accepts only JavaScript and HTML. In compared to this website, and that's why I chose that, is that it allows you to connect with a database and be able to make this conversation using PHP technology. So from now on, every student who will continue to post his website on USF website without using the PHP will be penalized. Second, this is a good practice, and the whole idea of using this zero fees website is that, first of all, it's free. Yes, if you have the money, you can purchase a more expensive website that offer more. However, it's free, so you need to accommodate yourself to it in order for you to work on it. And this is the challenge. I am challenging you to upload your website to this platform in order for you to get customized to this idea. And when you do that, and let's assume that next month or when you graduate you will get a job, most likely your employer will not have great facility to a website, and he will say to you, I hire you to develop my web, and you will not know what to start and how to start with that. So the idea here is that you will have some facility to some knowledge how to do that. Back to the online file manager, and the online file manager has to be organized. What does it mean, organized? Everything in the file is hosted in the folder called htdocs, and in these folders usually it consists of all the files that you need to do. One of the things that we will learn, and I will continue to repeat that in module number 3, 4, and 5, is that in this folder, not only you can upload your files, but you also can create a folder called images, where you're going to put your images to the website in order for you to have more organization when someone else was looking at, and be able to do that. The issue with the website itself, and one of the requirements that I persisting that you will have, is that you will start using index2.html, which is the website default file, and you're going to start using it and showing that you are creating this file. This is the file that basically is the welcome file, and you're going to start designing it or to implement that. And from now on, you're going to have modules in every folder, saying module number 1, module number 2, module number 3, 4, and 5, and the final project. And so the whole idea is that you will get customized to the idea that in this environment you need to be organized in order for you to succeed and be transparent of what you do. So with regard to images. Some of you complain that the size of the image is too big, and the zero fees do not allow you. So what can you do? If you have a large image, you can select this application, Simple Image Sizer, and it will reduce the amount or the size and the weight of the image in order for you to apply that. So you select it from the image, and you will say, okay, I want it bigger, I want it smaller, and he will do that just for you. And he can do it in percentage or dimensional, and you're going to resize it, and it will affect and allowed you to upload it to your website. Next, the issue of PHP. From now on, we're going to start working with PHP files. So you're going to, example, upload the file, and you're going to say upload. This is without the FTP, and the file, the PHP that you're going to use, you're going to upload it. You can use this platform or the FTP platform. It's up to you what you feel more comfortable. But the format of the file itself has to be PHP, not HTML. Otherwise, it will not connect to the server and be able to do that. So this was a short video just to clarify and to make sure that everyone understands. We are working in the environment that allowed us to have more interactive. It's not just the whole issue of the static versus dynamic, but it's also ability to connect to the PHP technology server in the background and be able to produce a result that is actually interesting and more innovating. So that is the whole point. I want you to start using it. I want that you will show that you are able to create a website that is fully function in a commercial environment, but it is free, and you are able to do things that is not a standard. So I hope that makes sense. I hope you enjoy it. Again, ask questions. Until next time, have a nice weekend. Bye.